Hey everyone, I'm Claire and this is Spoonie Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these amazing chocolate muffins that are to die for. So to start off, you would want to line a muffin tray with papers and set your oven to 200 degrees. In a medium-sized bowl, sift the flour, the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt and sugar. And you want to sift because the cocoa powder does have a few lumps and you don't want to have the lumps in your muffin batter later on. Once everything is sifted, you would want to give it a quick whisk and set it aside. In a separate bowl, you would want to add 2 eggs, milk, vanilla extract, oil, and some yogurt. You then want to give everything a quick whisk so it is combined. Then you want to add all the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and fold it together with a spatula until just combined. And then you would want to add the chocolate chips and the chopped chocolates into the batter and continue mixing until it is just combined. You want to then evenly distribute the batter amongst the liners, and I like to fill them up halfway and then add a little extra chopped chocolate block in the middle before filling it up with the rest of the batter. Then you want to sprinkle some remaining chocolate chips evenly amongst the muffins and bake it at 200 degrees for around 6 minutes before lowering the temperature to 150 degrees and bake them for a further 14 minutes. And to test if they are ready, you would want to use a toothpick and just stick it in the center to see if they are done. Then after letting them sit for around 3 minutes, I like to transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you do try this one out, please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and happy baking!